Kevin Joe. I live in government housing in Woodbridge with my dog Charlie. She's a pug. I have generalised anxiety and panic disorder, and also agoraphobia and agoraphobia. So at the moment, for the last year or so, I don't really go out much. I've been with Cope from the beginning, so over 5 years. I knew Michael, you even before then. I think Cope's amazing. I can't imagine being with anybody else. My experience with all the support workers is actually quite amazing. The help that I do get, even not going out, the help that I get is fantastic. Everybody is so supportive. And when I say everybody, that goes to the staff in the office as well. You know, you ring the office and they're so helpful as well. You know, they will do anything to help you out. So yeah, my experience is, I actually couldn't imagine being with another organisation. Well, Cope fell in my lap because I knew Michael, and so Michael was my support worker with another group, and so when he and Dr. Gonzalez started Cope, I just went there automatically. I don't think I would be as good as I am now if it wasn't for Cope. They helped me so much with my mental health. In ways that sometimes it's hard to even explain. Put it this way, if I didn't have my support workers, I wouldn't see anybody. And that's a big negative on my mental health. Yeah, well, I had one just today. I actually went with Michael to Centrepoint, my local shopping centre, and we went in, and we actually went into Woolworths, which I haven't done for years. So that was a big breakthrough. I don't think I could give Cope enough praise. I could easily recommend to Cope, on all different levels of supports, including psychology, support workers. There's even art therapy, and they're with the LGBTQ plus community, the Aboriginal community. They're quite into everything. I'd actually say amazing.